In the second quarter of 2025, POET rapidly created a full production facility in the beating heart of the semiconductor manufacturing industry. The company opened the doors to an 8,000 square foot production floor in Malaysia that holds state-of-the-art equipment and provides every tool necessary to produce 1 million POET optical engines per year. Those engines will drive the next generation of hardware devices for the AI and data center markets. The manufacturing center in Penang asserts the company's move from research and development to a commercial enterprise with the ability to scale up to meet the demand from our customers who are seeking to drastically improve AI and data center connectivity. The facility is the final piece of the puzzle. It establishes the capability for high-volume production, a critical requirement to win large purchase orders. POET has systematically walked across the chasm from ideation to production, first validating the technology, then the products, and now finally manufacturing. Located inside of Globetronic's massive building, the production floor includes Amicra flip-chip bonders, testing machines, including testing at wafer level, burn-in equipment, ovens used for bonding and packaging. In all, POET's multi-million-dollar capital infrastructure includes 25 units of equipment in Penang. Our growing team of exceptional engineers operates them and works closely with our Asian headquarters in Singapore. Together, they bring scalable wafer-level innovation to reality. In less than 3 months, POET transformed its operations. Now, we are ready to launch the next stage of our journey, and it will be the most exciting phase yet. POET is deploying products that are in demand by leaders in the high-growth sectors of artificial intelligence systems and hyperscale data centers. These include cutting-edge achievements announced at this year's industry showcase, OFC.
The POET TerraLite, our 1.6T optical engine, achieves industry-leading performance at the highest speeds available in the market. However, there are a few things that differentiates our solution. The first one, ours is an indium phosphide on silicon. It's based engine. We use EML lasers and passively assemble them on our optical interposer. This means our customers can expect excellent performance. Our wafer scale assembly process replicates a semiconductor type of manufacturing where we flip chip attach all the components. EMLs, drivers, MPDs, thermistors, all at wafer scale. This results in a high volume, low cost production. The second differentiation, which is a big deal, we use one of the unique EMLs out there, Mitsubishi's 2x200 gig EML. It is a single small chip which has 2 instances of 200 gig on it. So we use only 4 chips for 1.6T. Yes, just 4 chips for 1.6T. This is a huge cost saving and a compact solution. The third differentiation, our engines allow customers to release 1.6T DR8 and 2xFR4 pluggable modules using the exact same board design. This is a significant achievement for an industry because traditionally they've relied on separate engineering and manufacturing resources for DR and FR applications.
We also introduced POET Blazar, a multi-wavelength light source that is expected to drive AI connectivity to the next level. Those innovations are on top of the 100G and 400G applications that have been in the hands of our customers for months now and are going through the final stages of evaluation. POET's product evolution and establishment of its Malaysian manufacturing facility is the culmination of 12 exceptional months for the company. Award wins were racked up consistently, as POET's innovations for the AI hardware industry stood out among judges for programs such as the AI Breakthrough Awards and Lightwave and BTR's Industry Review.
So our recent efforts to develop optical engines and now optical modules that can reach 800 gig, 1.6T and 3.2T soon are becoming impossible for the industry and industry observers to ignore.
Customer engagements have risen steadily, putting the company on the verge of wide-scale commercialization. A key to POET's growth is our unique partnership with Mitsubishi Electric. The use of their state-of-the-art lasers enables POET's customers to innovate and co-design distinct solutions with the optical interposer. Mitsubishi supports some of the largest data center hyperscalers in the world, allowing POET to get a proverbial seat at the table in consequential dialogues about current and future projects for end users. Along with Mitsubishi, we have added a number of elite names, including Foxconn Interconnect Technology.
A market leader like Foxconn deciding to use our technology is a huge boost for us and an excellent validation of what we have been pitching as our differentiation. For us, this is like jumping to a higher orbiter and getting a step closer to our vision of bringing the semiconductorization of photonics process to the industry at large.
Design and development operations were concentrated in Singapore, creating greater efficiency across the organization and reducing costs. Importantly, POET has turned its balance sheet from a reason of concern to a strength. Having raised more than $80 million in capital since the second quarter of 2024, the company has the financial stability necessary to focus its efforts on executing its roadmap, thereby satisfying customer demand and rewarding investors with maximum returns. The positive impact of the past 12 months has positioned POET to achieve its goal of becoming the global leader in chip-scale photonics. It starts with the optical interposer, which, like POET itself, is closer than ever to realizing the enormity of its potential.